Hi students, in this video I am going to explain some questions of previous question papers CBSE. Okay. Here the question is the length of the shadow of a tower on the plain ground is root 3 times the height of the tower. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Okay. First let us draw the diagram. Suppose here there is a sun here. Okay. And now there is a tower here, okay? And this is the ground. Let us mark these points as A, B, C. Now AB is equal to height of the tower and BC is the shadow of the tower. So here we don't know the height of the tower. So let us take height of tower is equal to x units. Okay. And the length of shadow will become how much? So here the length of the shadow they have given is root 3 times the height of the tower. Means times means multiplication. So root 3 into x gives root 3x. Okay. So here the tower is AB and the shadow is root 3x. So tower is AB and the shadow is BC. Now they are asking us to find the angle of elevation of the sun. See here, the sun is here and if we join point A and point C, the angle of elevation will be here. Let us take this as theta. So if this is theta, so this one will be, AB will be opposite side and BC will be adjacent side. This will be our hypotenuse. Okay. Now we are having the values of opposite side and adjacent side of angle theta. So consider the ratio, trigonometric ratio, which is having opposite side and adjacent side. Okay. So it is nothing but, it is nothing but tan theta. So tan theta means what, students? Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to, what is the side here? AB by BC. Okay. So AB is how much, students? X and BC is root 3 into x. So numerator and denominator x gets cancelled out one time, isn't it? So tan theta we got as 1 by root 3. Okay. But we know that the angle of trigonometric ratio tan 30 degrees is also equal to 1 by root 3. So from these two, what we can say, students, in the place of theta, what we are having? 30 degrees. So answer is tan theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, students. Students, the next question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So let us draw the diagram first. Suppose this is a tower, students. Okay. And this is a point on the ground. Okay. This is the top of the tower. Point A is at the top of the tower and point B is the foot of the tower and point C is on the ground. Okay. So from A to C, they have given the angle of elevation. Foot of the tower is 30 degrees. From foot of the tower to point on the ground they have given is 30 meters. Okay. 30 meters and the angle of elevation at point C from the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Okay. So at point B we will have a right angle. Suppose, see here, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. and this point C, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower, point B. Okay, so BC distance is 30 meters. E is 30 degrees. This angle of elevation at point C from point A is 30 degrees. So they are asking us to find the height of the tower. So here the height of the tower is AB, isn't it? So let us write down the height of the tower is equal to AB. Okay, we have to find this. And the distance from foot of tower to point C, point on ground, okay, is equal to how much? 30 meters. Is it clear? So here now how to solve this? Here if the angle at C, angle is at point C, what is its opposite side? So AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side, isn't it? So think about the ratio which is having opposite side and adjacent side. It is nothing but tan. Okay, trigonometric ratio is tan theta. So tan theta we know that it is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, isn't students? So what is opposite side here? AB is the opposite side and adjacent side is BC. Okay, so we have to find AB. So write AB as it is and BC they have given 30 meters. Is it clear? So now, so tan of theta. Theta means angle they have already given for us. Tan 30 degrees will be equal to AB by 30 meters. Okay. So we know the angle of tan ratio. How much tangent ratio? So tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. That will be equal to AB by 30. Now here you can do cross multiplication, students, to get the answer. Do cross multiplication. How much you will get? So how much you will get? So 1 into 30 gives 30 and AB into root 3 gives root 3 into AB. Okay. Now transpose into root 3 towards left hand side. This becomes 30 by root 3 is equal to what is remaining in the RHS? AB is remaining. Okay. So you should not stop here. If you have an irrational number in the denominator, okay, multiply numerator and denominator with its rationalizing factor. So multiply numerator with root 3 and denominator also with root 3. Okay. So this becomes 30 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. How much, students? 3. That will be equal to AB. Now here 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So 30 and 3 have a common factor 3, no? So now we got AB is equal to students. The next question is, as observed from the top of a 75 meters high lighthouse. So let us draw the diagram, students. So there is a lighthouse. Okay. So there is a lighthouse here, students. And it is 75 meters. Let us mark these points as A and B, and AB is nothing but a lighthouse with 75 meters height. Okay. From the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships. So there are two ships here, students. Okay. So here is one ship. Let us think these two are ships. Here is another ship. Let us mark these 2 points. And this is the ground level, sea level. Is it clear? And mark these 2 points as C and D. Okay. So angles of depressions. So angle of depression means what, students? Let us join point A and C here. And let us join point A and D here. Okay. So we have to draw a line parallel to BD at point A. Okay. So these are the angles of depressions. Is it clear? So 30 degrees and 60 degrees they have given. Okay. 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay. So which one will be 30 degrees? This one will be 30 degrees, smaller one, and this bigger one will be 60 degrees. So according to alternate interior angles, see these two lines are parallel to each other and AD is a transversal. This becomes 30 degrees and AC is a transversal. This becomes 60 degrees. So this is about the diagram, students. Okay. So if one ship is behind the other on the same side, find the height distance between the two ships. So what distance we have to find? So let the distance between the two ships means from D to from C. Okay, from point D to point C. Okay. So let us take the distance as small letter D. Okay. So let us write down. So distance between two ships we have taken as D. Okay. D meters. Is it clear? So at point B, what will be the angle? Here will be a right angle 90 degrees. So here you can observe two triangles. So one is triangle ABC, right angled triangle ABC and right angled triangle ABD. Now let us take in right angled triangle. So what we are taking as ABC. Okay. ABC we are taking here. So where is the angle here? Angle is at point C. We know they have given as 60 degrees. Okay. So for 60 degrees, what is the opposite side here? That is AB, and they have given this is nothing but our height 75 meters. And the adjacent side for this angle 60 degrees is BC. We don't know. We have to find this. Okay. So we have theta 60 degrees. So what is the ratio between opposite and adjacent? So tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Is it clear, students? So opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Okay. We know the values now. So we can apply the values here. Okay. So tan theta is how much? 60 degrees. That will be equal to AC is 75 and by BC. Okay, students, you know that the value of tan 60 is root 3. That is equal to 75 by BC. So, root 3 can be written as in the form of fractions, root 3 by 1. And you can do cross multiplication here in order to get the value of BC. Okay, students. So, now BC into root 3 gives BC root 3. That is equal to 1 into 75 gives 75. Okay. So now transpose this into root 3 towards right hand side. You will get BC is equal to 75 into becomes division. Okay. So now in order to solve this, if we have a irrational number in the denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator with its rationalizing factor. So the rationalizing factor for root 3 is root 3 itself. Here we will get 75 root 3 whole divided by 3. Did you understand, students? Okay. So now in 3 table 3 and 75 is having common factor 3 itself. 3 2s are 6. Difference 1. 3 5s are 15. So how much we got BC? We got BC as 25 root 3. You can keep root 3 like this or you can multiply with 1.732 into 25. Did you understand, students? Now coming to our diagram. So what is another triangle you can see here? Triangle ABD. Okay. Now I am going to take another triangle. So in right triangle ABD. What is the angle here, students? Now here the theta angle they have given is 30 degrees. And for this 30 degrees, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is AB and we know that that is 75 meters. And what is the adjacent side here, students? The adjacent side is BD. If you observe carefully, BD is nothing but BC plus CD. Okay. BC plus CD. So we have found out just now the value of BC. Apply here, students. BC is nothing. So here, students, BC we got as how much? How much we got BC? 25 root 3 plus CD means small letter d. We know that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to AB by BD, and tan 30 will be equal to 75 by BD means we got as 25 root 3 plus d. Okay, we know the value of tan 30 degrees, that is 1 by root 3, that will be equal to 75 by 25 root 3 plus d. Okay. So now do cross multiplication to solve the value of d. So 1 into 25 root 3 plus d gives 25 root 3 plus d. That will be equal to 75 into root 3 gives 75 root 3. Is it clear, students? Now transpose this 25 plus root 3 towards right hand side. So left hand side you will get d. So 75 root 3 minus 25 root 3. How much, students? So d will be equal to 50 root 3. Is it clear? Therefore, what you can write at the last? Distance between two shapes. Okay. So distance between two shapes is equal to 50 root 3 meters. Did you understand, students? So answer is 50 root 3. Okay. So try to draw the diagram as, try to read the question in a careful way and draw according to the sentences given the diagram. Okay. And after drawing the diagram, check what are the two right triangles you are having, right angled triangles you are having. Take the trigonometric ratio and solve. Is it clear? But you have to know the values of tan 60 and tan 30. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. Okay. The next question is, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 30 meters high building. Okay, let us start the diagram first. So, where is the transmission tower here, students? It is at the top of the high building, means the building is at the height of 30 meters. Suppose this is a building and this is 30 meters. Let us take it as B and let us take it as C. So this part is 30 meters. This is the building, students. Okay. Now at the top of this there is a transmission tower. So from here point C and let us take this point as A. So AC is the transmission tower here. Okay. And the angles of elevation they have given. Okay. Top, bottom and top of a transmission tower. So this is the top of a transmission tower and this is the bottom of a transmission tower. Okay. So now this is our ground level. This is our ground. Okay, students. So the angles of elevation from the ground is, see, from here, from point A to, let us mark it as point D. Okay. Now from point A to point D, bottom and top. First they have given bottom, students. So bottom is 30 degrees. Okay. Next top they have given. The elevation from top is 60 degrees. So we have to try to understand this. Okay. So where is bottom here? Here at point C. Okay. From bottom it is 30 degrees. Means this part is 30 degrees. Okay. And now top. Top. Where is top here? And from this. So this total angle is 60 degrees. Is it clear? Okay. So now they are asking to find the height of the transmission tower. So where is the transmission tower here? From A to C is the transmission tower. Let us take it as height. Okay. Height of the transmission tower is equal to h. Is it clear, student? So did you understand the diagram? So height of transmission tower is equal to, let us take it as h. Okay. So now here where is the right angle between the ground and this building? Okay. Here the angle is 90 degrees. So here you can see, if you observe carefully, you can see here two right angled triangles. So I am taking first right angled triangle. In right triangle, okay, in right triangle, first I am taking BCD, okay, triangle BCD. Is it clear? So what is the angle here in triangle BCD? Let us take theta is equal to 30 degrees. So if theta is 30 degrees, we are having the opposite side is BC. So opposite side is equal to BC, that is equal to 30 meters. Now we have to find the adjacent side. What is the adjacent side here? BD. This one we have to find, students. Okay. So think about the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. It is nothing but our tan theta. So tan theta gives opposite side by adjacent side, students. So what is the opposite side here? BC by adjacent side is BD. You already know BC is 30 meters and we have to find BD. Is it clear? So tan 30 degrees. So theta we are having here 30 degrees, isn't it? So tan 30 will be equal to 30 meters by BD. So up to here clear, students? Now let us solve this. Okay. So you know the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 30 meters by the distance BD. So now you are going to cross multiply here. Okay. If you do cross multiplication, how much you will get? So BD into 1 gives BD and that is equal to 30 into root 3. Okay. Meters. So BD will become as 30 root 3 meters. Is it clear, students? So you keep 30 root 3 like this only. Otherwise, you can multiply 30 into root 3 value is 1.732. Okay. So now coming to another triangle. What is the another triangle you can see here? Triangle A, B and D. Okay. So let us write down about that. Okay. So now I am going to try write right triangle. Okay. A, B, D. Okay. So here where is the angle? What is the angle here? Here angle is 60 degrees. And for this 60 degrees angle, opposite side will be AB. Okay. Opposite side will be AB. So AB you can write here as, students, from A to C plus C to B. Is it clear? So check here. So AB, total AB length will be equal to AC plus CB. Is it clear? So adjacent side. Next is adjacent side. What is the adjacent side? This for 60 degrees, it is BD. Okay. So now BD you got as 30 root 3 meters. You can write here. So up to here clear, students? Now next we are going to find out. So the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side is nothing but tan theta. So you know that tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Is it clear, students? So opposite side is AB by adjacent side is BD. So AB means AC plus CB, isn't it? AC plus CB whole divided by BD is how much? Now BD is how much, students? 30 root 3. Is it clear? So here tan theta. Theta is our angle is 60 degrees. That is equal to AC we have to find. That is nothing but height plus CB. CB is they have given. It is 30 meters. Okay. 30 by 30 root 3. Okay. Now you know the value of C here. See here, BC is 30 meters. Is it clear? Next. So tan 60 degrees, you know it is root 3. That is equal to AC we have taken as H plus 30 divided by 30 root 3. Okay. So root 3 you can write as root 3 by 1. Now you do cross multiplication here, students. So you will get 30 root 3 into root 3 is equal to H plus 30 into 1 gives H plus 30 units. Okay. So root 3 into root 3 gives 3 no. So 30 into 3 will be equal to H plus 30. Is it clear, students? Okay. So 30 into 3 gives 90 meters, that is equal to H plus 30. And now transpose this plus 30 towards left hand side. You will get 90 minus 30, that will be H. So 90 minus 30 gives how much, students? 60 meters. That will be the H. Is it clear? So at last you have to write the height of tower. What is the tower here? It is a transmission tower. Okay, height of transmission tower is equal to 60 meters. Did you understand, students? Check properly the diagram and also the question. Okay.